Greetings, traders. I have come a long way in this business and I have a lot to say to you. Right now, I'm going to run a couple trades and share some important thoughts with you. This channel is designed to help you develop your skills. To make sure you don't miss out on new useful content, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Like and comment, we value your feedback. I will open the first trade on the currency pair Euro, Dollar. The expiration time will be 5 minutes. My investment is $1,500. Always look at the situation with historical data in mind, folks. It helps build the logic of trends. In this situation, I made a decision to press the red button on the broker. The market was looking to be overbought and that moment has arrived. Now the bulls have loosened their grip a bit and the sellers got a window of opportunity. The price has pushed away from the global resistance zone and will go down within the corridor. I believe that this momentum will have a significant impact on the price within my time frame. I think another bounce to the downside will follow after a minor rise. Friends, attention, now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages on the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. We help with training, folks. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. The Drawdown Diaries. Why your biggest trading loss could be the prologue to your greatest victory. The Cold Open. Owning the struggle. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. The glow of your monitor is harsher than a Quentin Tarantino spotlight. And another currency pair just whipsawed through your stop like Thor's hammer. You whisper that dangerous sentence, maybe this isn't for me. Stop right there. Rocky Balboa lost to Apollo before he became a legend. Harry Potter slept under a staircase before Hogwarts. Michael Jordan got cut from varsity. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination. And Oprah was fired for being unfit for TV. Your red ink days? They're just your backstory montage. Before the glory comes the grind, and the grind starts with risk control. If you're risking more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade, you're playing Russian roulette with all 6 chambers loaded. $100 deposit, right pointing arrow, $1 trade minus 80 cents profit per win. $1,000 deposit, right pointing arrow, $10 trade minus $8 profit per win. Same strategy, different scale. That math grows astonishingly fast, only if you protect the principal. Blow the account and compounding is off the table. What percentage of your account are you risking per position right now, and why? Trading is a psychological triathlon. The market doesn't single you out, it exposes everyone's weaknesses. Have a plan, execute that plan, review that plan. If Kobe shot 1,000 free throws before dawn, you can study 1 extra setup after work. In the meantime, we've reached the finish line of the first deal. Yes, I've picked up on the trends correctly. Yes, the sellers were able to lower the price. Yes, I made money on it because I was paying attention. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. I decided to change the currency pair. Now it's the euro and the Japanese yen. Time frame 5 minutes. $2,200 is the market entry point. I think the bulls are going to increase their influence now. I clicked on the green button on the broker's website. Buyers were steadier than sellers in saturating the market with volumes in the past hour. This accumulative effect plus the local oversold moment has led to the fact that now there is a favorable situation for the price upward jerk. Zones of rising lows also speak about it. Give it a like and comment under this video, friends. It's important for me to hear and see you. Technical Analysis Bootcamp. You don't need PhD math, just enough to read a chart like Neo reads the Matrix. Block A. Support and resistance. Think of price like Spider-Man's web. It clings to key levels. Plot horizontal lines where candles stall. Buy near floors, sell near ceilings. Sounds simple because it is, until emotions complicate it. Block B. Candlestick literacy. Engulfing patterns equals plot twists. Dojis equals cliffhangers. Hammers equals heroic comebacks. Memorize these like Marvel origin stories. Block C. Moving averages. Short MA crossing long MA. Momentum shift. Like a plot armor moment where the underdog gains the upper hand. Block D. Momentum indicators. RSI oversold? That's Rocky catching his breath before round 12. MACD histogram flipping? Darth Vader turning to the light side, rare but powerful. Which indicator has saved your account more times than you can count? Every session, screenshot the setup, jot the why, and tag the emotion. A month from now you'll binge watch your own mistakes and victories, spotting plot holes in your logic. Journaling turns random chance into measurable data. Business owners risk inventory, athletes risk injury, entrepreneurs risk sanity, traders risk capital. No risk, no edge. Your job isn't to eliminate risk, it's to tame it like Chris Pratt with velociraptors in Jurassic World. Hands steady, eyes open, respect undeniable. You're itching to upsize. Do it only when you've logged 50+ trades obeying the 1 to 2% rule. You're net positive over at least 2 months. You can watch a $50 drawdown without your pulse spiking. Deposit more only when the above are true. Otherwise, you're driving a Ferrari with learner's plates, and everybody knows how that ends. I know a barista who used RSI divergence strategies after shifts last year. She quit steaming cappuccinos and started steaming through charts. I know a welder who spent lunch breaks studying Bollinger pinches. Now he welds P/L columns, not metal beams. They're not superhuman. They're disciplined, consistent, relentless. So can you be. And I've just completed a trade. 2 successful trades. $3,227 profit in total. Yes, coolness and focus work. Subscribe and hit the bell. There's more to come.